Now I can smile, y'all. Best decision I ever made. And I got a missing tooth on top and bottom. You see my smile, my crookedness, see the gaps, missing tooth. I stopped smiling as much as I used to because I had a big smile like this. But look, you see the missing teeth. I wanted my smile back. I was very self-conscious about doing live videos. I wanted who see all the gaps in my mouth. I wanted can they see the yellow tint. So not only did this bring my confidence back, I will be able to work my business more productively. So I'm going to put the bottom in. They pop on, just like I said, they pop on veneers. They pop right in, they snap right in. So here's the bottoms, top veneers. Now I can smile, y'all. Oh my gosh, you can't see the gap, you don't see the yellow tint. Now I could be more productive. Thank you, Pop On Veneers. You gave me, not just gave me my smile back, but my confidence. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're considering getting Pop On Veneers, get them. Go for it. Best decision I ever made. Now I can work my business like a boss.